When homeowners in Clinton Township consider upgrading their windows, picture windows often rise to the top of the list. These expansive, fixed panes not only provide breathtaking views and abundant natural light but also offer impressive energy efficiency benefits. For families who want to lower utility bills, enjoy greater comfort year-round, and boost home value, picture windows are an excellent investment. Natural insulation through a fixed design. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, picture windows are non-operable. Because they do not open or close, they eliminate the tiny air leaks that can occur with moving parts. This fixed design creates a tight seal that minimizes drafts, keeping heated or cooled air inside where it belongs. For Clinton Township homeowners, this translates into more consistent indoor temperatures during both cold Michigan winters and humid summers. The result is less strain on HVAC systems and reduced energy consumption. Maximizing natural light energy efficiency isn't only about heating and cooling, it also extends to how much electricity a household uses for lighting. Picture windows allow an abundance of daylight to flood into living spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting throughout the day. A brighter home powered by natural light not only cuts energy costs but also enhances mood and creates a more welcoming atmosphere. Many Clinton Township families love how picture windows transform dark rooms into inviting, sunlit spaces. Modern glazing options for enhanced performance. Today's picture windows come with advanced glass technologies designed to maximize energy efficiency. Features like low-E coatings, multiple panes, and gas fills between the panes significantly improve insulation. These innovations block harmful UV rays, prevent heat gain during the summer, and retain warmth during the winter. Homeowners who choose Energy Star-rated picture windows enjoy long-term savings while ensuring their homes stay comfortable in every season. Reduced HVAC costs and extended system life. Because picture windows limit air leakage and improve insulation, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. For Clinton Township residents, this means lower monthly utility bills and less wear on expensive HVAC equipment. Over time, the reduced workload extends the lifespan of furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps, saving money on repairs and replacements. Environmental benefits for eco-conscious families. More homeowners are becoming eco-conscious, and energy-efficient picture windows align perfectly with these values. By lowering energy use, households reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a greener community. Whether it's cutting back on fossil fuel consumption or decreasing reliance on power plants, installing efficient windows is a simple yet impactful step toward sustainability. Families in Clinton Township who want to live greener without sacrificing comfort find picture windows to be an ideal choice. Boosting home value and appeal. Energy efficiency isn't just about immediate savings, it's also about long-term value. Homes with modern, efficient picture windows are more attractive to buyers, as lower utility costs and eco-friendly features are highly desirable in today's market. For Clinton Township homeowners considering selling in the future, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly boost resale value while enhancing curb appeal with a sleek, modern look. Comfort beyond energy savings. While energy savings are often the main motivator, comfort is another major benefit of picture windows. By reducing drafts and maintaining steady indoor temperatures, these windows help create a cozy, stable environment. Families no longer need to worry about cold spots near windows in winter or rooms overheating during summer. Instead, picture windows deliver year-round comfort while showcasing the beauty of the outdoors. The bottom line for Clinton Township residents, picture windows provide much more than stunning views. Their energy-efficient design lowers utility bills, reduces environmental impact, and enhances indoor comfort, all while adding value to the home. With advanced glazing technologies and a sealed, non-operable structure, they are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to combine beauty with performance. If you're ready to experience the benefits of picture windows, exploring today's energy-efficient options could be the upgrade your Clinton Township home needs.